Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, February 7th, 2023. Boy, I've enjoyed the nice warm temperatures this week. It's just been glorious out there, and hopefully you had a chance to be outside while these temperatures last, because you never know. It's wintertime. Anything can happen, anything goes, right? But the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan, has us covered with the weather coming up. Normally, I like to show the weather when there's impacts. There is an impact coming up on Thursday, but overall, it's just nice to see some warm temperatures. And I do like the snow, and I don't mind winter. Wouldn't be here if I didn't, but it's just nice when you get that taste of warm weather. So let's take a look at the forecast here, and it says quiet and mild conditions are expected today and Wednesday. Look for rain changing to snow Wednesday night into Thursday. Accumulating snow is likely for central Wisconsin Thursday morning, with greater likelihood of rain in the southeast portion of the state. Keep up to the forecast, though, says the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan. Otherwise, you're just looking for above normal temperatures for the next couple of days. I checked in the average temperature this time of year. It's right around freezing, so we're pretty close. We're above this week, but we'll get back, looks like, on track here for a little bit normal temperatures coming up through the rest of this month. Either way, well, keep an eye for Wednesday night into Thursday for potential snow and rough go for your commute. Other news, we have a rural Fitchburg listening session to tell you about. The Agricultural and Rural Affairs Commission committee will be meeting on February 21st at the Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. Normally they meet here at City Hall, but they're taking their show on the road to hear and listen to you, anybody from the rural committee or anybody who's interested at coming out and you'll have an opportunity not only to share your ideas or issues that impact you, but also you'll hear updates from city staff on relevant issues, projects, and more. And the commission as well will be there to answer questions. So you can come out, share your information. If you'd like to do that via online through our video conferencing. I never know what to exactly say. You call video conferencing, video chatting. Either way, if you want to do it, you can do it from online. You just have to reach out to Brian. He is the leader there with the Agricultural Commission, which you can find at our website at fitchburgwi.gov. Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan open house and public meeting is scheduled. This is tomorrow night, Wednesday, February 8th. The city's Fitchburg Stoner Prairie Master Plan sets forth the general park layout, allowing for opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. Presentation and other feedback opportunities are scheduled for 7 p.m. The meeting starts at 6:30 p.m. at the Francis Huntley Cooper Council Chambers, 5520 Lacey Roads, right here on the main floor at City Hall. If you want to, again, virtually attend this, to share your input, you can do that. Just need to email Scott Endel, and we'll get you the link to do that. Otherwise, you can watch the meeting here on Fact TV. Spring primary election dates to tell you about as we get closer to the primary on February 21st. Starting today, possibly through the 19th, is a deadline for in-person absentee voters who can possibly request and vote absentee ballot in person at their municipal clerk's office through February 19th. Our office hours here are 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. February 16th at 5 p.m., that's the deadline to request an absentee ballot. For regular voters, if you are a regular voter, your absentee ballot request must be received by your municipal clerk no later than 5 p.m. on February 16th. February 17th at 5 p.m. is the deadline to register in your municipal clerk's office. Regular voters may register in person in the municipal clerk's office up until 5 p.m. of that day. We'll let you know if the hours get extended here at City Hall. February 21st from 7:30 to 8 p.m. You can register to vote at your polling location. You just got to go right to that polling location and you can register to vote on the day of the election. And also on the day of election is a deadline to return your absentee ballot. So if you already received your ballot, you can return it, but it must be returned to the municipal clerk. Drop that off at the polling location or the municipal clerk's office. Remember that we don't have a drop box, can't use it. You need to drop off your own absentee ballot. You can't drop off somebody else's. Finally, the DOT wants to remind you to have the right ID so you can vote. The information is available at the Wisconsin DOT's website for what you need to obtain for ID to vote. You can also check the Wisconsin Election Commission's website for the information on specific IDs for voting. Have a great day.